Hey everybody, today I've got a 2014 C300. I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance light on this thing. So first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you have the mileage and the trip odometer up, okay? This has a key, so you want to put the key onto the first position, and then you want to answer the phone and hit OK and hold it. Now this screen comes up, vehicle data, dynamometer test, and assist plus. So you go down to the that and you press OK, and then it comes up with service data, full service. You push down for full service, hit OK, scroll down to confirm full service. Was service carried out? Yes. Confirm, full service carried out. There you go. That's how you reset the maintenance light on a 2014 C300. You're going to position 1, answer the phone, and OK, hold them, and then it will come up to the service reset screen. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up on my video. Thank you.